Hello guys, good day. This is nelmark gado. Today I will show you how to differentiate some logarithmic functions. So meron tayong formula dito ng mga paano kunin yung derivatives ng isang logarithmic function. So yung una, derivative of natural log x or derivative of ln x with respect to x equals 1 over x. Derivative of ln u with respect to x equals 1 over u times du over dx, where u is function of x. Then, we have also derivative of log of x to the base a with respect to x is equal to 1 over x ln a. Yung a natin base yun. Then, last, derivative of log of u to the base a with respect to x is equal to 1 over u ln a times du over dx, where u is also function of x. Okay, so example number 1 natin, we have y equals ln x. So dun sa formula, kita naman natin na ang derivative ng ln x ay 1 over x. So automatic, nakakita rin ng ganyan na form o na function, kinuha yung derivative niyan, is automatic, ang derivative niyan is 1 over x. So that is the final answer. Okay. Example number 2. So, y equals natural log of x plus 1. Okay. So we have derivative of ln u. Okay. Yung u natin dyan, yung x plus 1. So, that is equal to 1 over u times du over dx. So, y prime, okay, y prime, so that, ibig sabihin derivative, no? Kinukuha natin. Derivative na yan. Kinukuha natin derivative nung y. Okay. So, 1 over u, ito yung u natin dito. Ito yung u. So, 1 over u times du over dx, o derivative naman ito. Okay, derivative ng u. So, ano derivative nitong x plus 1? So, we have 1. So, 1 times x plus 1, 1 times x, 1 times 1 over x plus 1 is 1 over x plus 1. Okay, example number 3. Y equals ln 3x squared minus 4. So, ang u natin dyan, yung function of x natin dyan, ito, yung 3x squared minus 4. Okay, so y prime equals 1 over, ito, u, 1 over 3x squared minus 4 times derivative nito, du over dx. Okay, so we have 6x na lang. This is 0, so 6x. So the final answer is we have 6x over 3x squared minus 4. Number 4. Y equals ln 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 10. Okay. So, find the y prime or find the derivative of y with respect to x. So, y prime equals, okay, so we have 1 over, okay, 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 10. Okay, times. Actually, pwede nyo na ilagay dito eh, kasi since yung numerator natin ay 1, pwede nyo na i-recta dito. So, pinapakita ko lang, no? So, we have derivative naman ito. 12x squared. Pwede nyo na i-recta ilagay dito sa taas. Okay. Minus 12x. Okay, 12x. So, the final answer is 12x squared minus 12x, multiply nyo lang, over Copy yung denominator. 4x cubed minus 6x squared plus 10. That is the final answer. So example number 5 tayo. Yung function y equals ln sin x. So yung natin dito yung sin x. Okay. So get the y prime or derivatives. We have y prime equals 1 over, copyhin to, 1 over u sin x times. Okay, ano naman yung derivative ng sin x? Kung naalala nyo iba dun sa trigo, derivatives ng trigo natin. So derivative ng sin x is cosine x. Then, since derivative ng angle natin is 1, so okay na yan. So cosine x times 1 over sin x, we have y prime equals cosine x over sin x. And again, in trigonometric identities, or yung formula natin, no? We have cosine x over sin x is equal to, also equal to cotangent x. Okay, so how about y equals ln cosine x? So same lang gagawin natin. So y prime, so 1 over kopya cosine x, then derivative naman ng cosine x, negative sin x. Okay, so negative sin x times 1 over cosine x, so y prime equals negative sin x over cosine x. Then again, yung negative, yung sin x over cosine x natin equal siya sa tangent x. Meron tayong negative doon, so negative tangent x. That is the final answer. Okay, so example number 6, y equals ln cube root of x squared. Okay. So para mapadali yung pagkuha ng derivative natin dito, yung u natin dito, no, i-convert muna natin into exponential, no? Okay, so y equals ln, ano equivalent niya sa exponential? X raised to 2/3. Okay? And then, meron tayong rule sa logarithmic functions, no? Meron tayong rule na kapag ito tinatawag natin power rule, yung exponent nito, no? Exponent nito mapupunta dito. Okay? So, that is also equal to 2/3 of ln x. Okay? Ngayon, kukunin natin yung derivative. So, y prime equals, this is constant multiple, no? So, copyin natin yung constant, 2/3, and then kunin natin yung derivative ng ln x. Then, base dun sa una kong example kanina, ang derivative ng ln x is 1 over x. Okay? So, 2/3 times 1 over x, we have 2 over 3x. Final answer. Okay, so example number 7 tayo is we have y equals log of x. Okay, yung kanina, pinag-usapan natin yung natural log, yung ln. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan naman natin yung common logarithm function, o yung log lang, no? Ayan. Kanina ln, di ba? Okay, so log of x. Makapansin nyo dito, wala siyang base. Okay? Sa common logarithm kasi, kapag walang base, automatic, ang base natin dun ay 10. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin log of x, automatic yon log of x to the base 10. So, yun yung a natin dun, yun yung 10 natin. Okay? So, kunin natin yung derivative. Di ba ang derivative ng log x is equal to 1 over x ln a. Okay? So, y prime equals 1 over, kopya to, x, ln, yung base. And that's it. Okay, sorry. Yung a natin doon ay 10. And that's it. Okay, how about number 8? Example. Y equals log of x to the base 2. Now, at this time, yung a natin, meron na tayong value ng a maliban sa 10, which is 2. So, mangyayari, kung natin derivative, so 1 over kopya x ln 2. Okay? And last, so meron tayong function dyan maliban sa x. So y equals log of 3x plus 2 to the base 8. So yung mean natin dyan is 3x plus 2. Okay? So ganun pa rin, pag kinuha yung derivative, y prime equals 1 over kopya 3x plus 2 ln 8 times derivative naman ng u with respect to x. Ito, derivative naman ito. Okay, so we have 3. Okay, then 3 times 1 over 3x plus 2 ln 8. So the final answer is 3 over 3x plus 2 ln 8. And that's it. Okay, if you enjoy and if you have learned something new in my math video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, and share. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga susunod kong video. Thank you.